Greetings, fellow travelers, and welcome to an extended journey through the captivating district of Westminster in the heart of London. In this expanded exploration, we'll take a closer look at the historical significance and cultural richness that defines this iconic part of the city. So, fasten your seatbelts, and let's dive deeper into the splendors of Westminster. Westminster's historic grandeur. Westminster is not just any district in London, it's a living museum that breathes the legacy of centuries past. It's a place where history is woven into the very fabric of its streets, and where modernity harmoniously coexists with tradition. Let's continue our exploration by immersing ourselves in the grandeur of its most renowned landmarks. 1. The resplendent Houses of Parliament. Our journey begins with the imposing Houses of Parliament. Nestled along the banks of the River Thames, this architectural masterpiece is the very nucleus of British politics. Comprising two distinct chambers, the House of Commons and the House of Lords, it's where the destiny of the nation is debated, decided, and legislated. The House of Commons echoes with the passionate voices of members of Parliament as they discuss vital issues and shape the future of the nation. In contrast, the House of Lords is a chamber steeped in tradition, with hereditary-in-life peers offering their wisdom. Don't miss the opportunity to embark on a guided tour of the Houses of Parliament, where you can gain deeper insights into the history of this institution and how it functions. Remember, booking ahead is essential to secure your place. 2. The iconic Big Ben. As we move onward, the towering figure of Big Ben demands our attention. Contrary to popular belief, Big Ben is not the name of the clock tower itself but rather the melodious title bestowed upon the colossal bell that resides within. The clock tower, a true marvel of Victorian Gothic architecture, is officially known as the Elizabeth Tower. Big Ben, the bell, is not just a timekeeper, it's a symbol of punctuality and accuracy. Remarkably, it has only ceased its sonorous chimes on rare occasions, primarily for essential maintenance work. 3. The enigmatic Westminster Abbey. Our journey continues to the sublime Westminster Abbey, a Gothic masterpiece that has witnessed countless coronations, royal weddings, and historic events over the centuries. This venerable abbey is not merely a place of pageantry, it's a sanctuary of faith and a repository of history. Westminster Abbey is also the final resting place of numerous British monarchs and notable figures from the pages of history. It remains a vibrant place of worship, hosting regular services and cultural events. If you're keen to unravel the tales inscribed within its ancient walls, guided tours of Westminster Abbey are available year-round. Remember to secure your spot in advance to ensure a seamless visit. 4. Buckingham Palace, the royal abode. No visit to Westminster would be complete without a glimpse of Buckingham Palace, the official residence of the British monarch. Nestled majestically at the heart of the district, the palace opens its doors to the public during the summer months, granting access to the lavish interior that boasts over 700 rooms. The state rooms, in particular, offer a tantalizing peek into the world of royal hospitality, with their opulent decor and historical significance. 5. Additional gems of Westminster. While the aforementioned landmarks steal the spotlight, Westminster has much more to offer. St. James's Park, a tranquil oasis next to Buckingham Palace, perfect for a leisurely stroll amid natural beauty. Churchill War Rooms. Dive into history at this underground complex used by Winston Churchill and his cabinet during World War II. London Eye. Rise above the cityscape in this giant Ferris wheel for breathtaking vistas of London. West End. For theatre aficionados, London's West End is a treasure trove of world-class musicals and plays. In conclusion, Westminster is not just a district, it's a living, breathing testament to London's rich history and vibrant culture. Whether you're an architecture enthusiast, a history buff, or simply a curious traveler, Westminster promises an unforgettable experience. So, lace up your walking shoes, charge your camera, and prepare for an adventure through the heart of London's past and present.